Have here,
Okay.
and you got a hit.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is me and my husband, Rusty.
Yes, and it's Friday night. We're going to eat dinner together,
Yes, indeed. And we just finished.
having our shower, and we're all nice and clean. And now we get to have a clean and good dinner.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you, my queen, for the dinner. You're a good cook, and I like eating with you.
I love you, Rusty.
Oh, I love you, Felly.
Mm. Our food tonight is pork chop,
Is that onion too?
beans. Yeah.
Oh, onion. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Good.
pork chop with onions,
Good, okay.
beans,
Beans.
another beans,
Bean,
pork and beans. And my husband has a
Salad.
salad.
Good.
And our fruit is kiwi and strawberry and the mix.
Mixed berries.
Berries.
Yeah, okay, very good. What's that over there? on the
And
left?
that's the avocado that came from our tree, and I make it like ice cream.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I'm going to eat only banana. And my husband is going to drink
Oh, red wine.
red wine tonight.
Yeah, and what's that over there? That's my
That's
salad.
your salad.
Looks like avocado.
Yeah, and there's avocado too there.
In the salad? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
your salad.
From our
Came
tree.
from our tree.
Oh, good. Thank you, Felly.
Yes, thank you
Thank
for watching.
We love you all.
And
Have a good night, a good afternoon, or a good morning, wherever you are.
yes, indeed, I love you.
Love you.